Hello physics lovers, previously tutor Zambia. I have a physics question here coming from Simple Machines. The question says a load of 200 newtons is lifted by a force of 40 newtons through a distance of 10 meters. If the force moves the distance of 1.5 meters, calculate the mechanical advantage, the velocity ratio, and the efficiency. So, under Simple Machines, if you know the definition of mechanical advantage and the velocity ratio, this shouldn't be something difficult. But if you don't know, I'll encourage that you read those notes. Otherwise, mechanical advantage is just the ratio of the load to the effort, and the velocity ratio is just the ratio of the distance moved by the effort to the distance moved by the load. Now, what is efficiency? Efficiency is how good something is. Now, in terms of a machine, let's say a simple machine, it is the relationship between the velocity ratio and the mechanical advantage, of which we are saying it is the mechanical advantage over velocity ratio, then express that as a percentage. Having said that, let's kick in. So we have, let's get our data first. So the first one that we have is the load. Let's call it L, 200 newtons. The effort is 40 because that is what is lifting. Then let's call it distance moved by the load is 10 meters. Okay, let's do this. Wait a minute. So let's make some changes. The distance moved by the load, let's put 1.5. And the distance moved by the effort, we call it 10 meters. Then, what is mechanical advantage? We are saying mechanical advantage is just the load over the effort. The load is 200 newtons over the effort is just 40 newtons. So we end up getting 5. Just 5. Don't put anything there, okay? Because you can clearly see that the n and the n, these they cancel. So just end up remaining to what? 5. Are we okay up to there? All right, now let's find our velocity ratio. We are saying velocity ratio is just the ratio of the distance moved by the effort to the distance moved by the load. Distance moved by the effort we have, it's 10 meters. Yes, by the load is 1.5. And we end up having 6.67. I'll just round it off to 2 decimal places because it's continuous, like 6.6666 like that if you punch on the calculator. So we'll just round it off to 2 decimal places. Even this one, let's just leave it to, let's say 5.00. Now, where we have a thing is on the efficiency here. All right, so how do we find efficiency? We are saying it's mechanical advantage over velocity ratio, we multiply it by 100. Mechanical advantage has been given to be 5. Okay, 0.00 over 6.67, then multiply that by 100. So let's get a calculator. So saying 5 over 6.67. When you multiply that by 100, 5 over 6.67. Then you multiply that by 100. So I end up having I also leave it to 2 decimal places, 74.96%. That is the efficiency. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe for more and follow for more.